I'm going to show you today how to make the paper wreath. You're going to take the cardboard circle that came in your kit. You'll see that there's an outline of a circle in the center, which is going to be your guideline to help you place your cones. You're going to take your 5x5 piece of paper, put some glue down the one side like that, then fold it over, make yourself a cone. You may have to take a pencil or something and smooth it in to help you get it to stick good. Then you're going to make all of your cones. As you can see, we have a bunch of cones made. Then you're going to start gluing them onto your circle. So you're going to take your cone, go to the line, glue it on there, and then do that every 3/4 of an inch all the way around. Then you'll have something that looks like this. Then just finish taking your other cones and gluing them in between the spaces of the other ones, like so. So you're going to go all the way around, placing your cones in the center, gluing them down till you go all the way around. And then when you get to the center, you've got this little piece of colored paper we gave you. You can create your own if you want. Cut yourself a circle or a wavy shape or whatever you want. You may have to take a little bit of paper from the strip that we gave you, roll it over to give you something to uplift it off of the center of your wreath, glue it onto your colored paper, and then glue it into the center of your wreath. And then you can decorate it with the butterfly and the kid, or you can create your own center with anything that you want. Be creative and decorate up the center how you want. So don't get discouraged with making the cones. It takes a little bit at first, but just keep working at it. You'll get it. Okay, thank you.